Hi guys, it's Clarice from Hello Clarice Watercolor on YouTube. Thank you so much for becoming a bud or a member and supporting my channel. By becoming a bud, this obviously helps me make a lot more videos for you guys and continue to keep things free while providing you guys with good value. So for as little as a Starbucks coffee a month, one Starbucks coffee a month, you get the following perks. Number one, you get a downloadable freebie in your inbox once a month. Number two, you also get an additional live video with me just for members only. Number three, I want to hear about any suggestions you may have for my future videos. I will give your suggestions first preference because obviously you're a member and we're kind of like in the inner circle, so you definitely get a preference. So thank you so much for continuing on this journey with me, guys. I am so happy and I am so pleased to be continuing with this and taking you on this journey with me. So thanks guys, bye.